The LEIPA PM5 is the highest performance paper machine for producing white top testliner from waste paper. Testliner is a liner made from waste paper. It's used to make corrugated cardboard. White top testliner from LEIPA is manufactured into product packaging, cardboard boxes and even furniture. But what makes the LEIPA PM5 one of a kind worldwide? Let's find out. Everyone knows the famous landmarks of the world. They often have very impressive dimensions. For example, 3.5 million people visit the Statue of Liberty in New York every year. The statue is over 90 meters high. This is equivalent to a 30-story building or the length of about 20 cars. Industrial machines don't attract masses of tourists, but some of them are nevertheless quite remarkable. The LEIPA PM5, for example, is a landmark of its own. You could hide two A380 jets behind this impressive steel giant. During the course of rebuilding the machine, 640 kilometers of new wiring was installed, which is equivalent to the flight route between London and Frankfurt, or a 3-hour ride on a high-speed train, such as the ICE. Every hour, the PM5 produces enough corrugated cardboard raw material to cover 85 soccer fields. Not only is the PM5 enormous, but it weighs many thousands of tons as well. Even the Eiffel Tower can't compete with the mass of this paper machine. The paper web produced by the PM5 on a daily basis has a length of almost 2,000 kilometers, which is equivalent to medium Earth orbit. The amount of testliner produced every day is equivalent to the weight of 220 elephants. This means every year the LEIPA PM5 turns about 500,000 tons of waste paper into new high-quality products. For the environment, 100% waste paper use instead of fresh fiber consumption means 3,600 hectares of timberland are spared every year. This equals way more than 1 million tons of wood. By using only waste paper and the environmentally friendly technologies of the PM5, the amount of water taken from the natural cycle is reduced by 14 billion liters every year. This roughly corresponds to the annual water consumption of 10,000 people in Germany. Furthermore, emissions are reduced by 80,000 tons of CO2 every year, thanks to the professional recycling of waste paper. This corresponds to the CO2 emissions of almost 17,000 cars in 1 year. You only rarely find industrial machines and travel guides, but the LEIPA PM5 is a technological masterpiece in its field, and surely worth a trip. We reconcile economy and ecology. LEIPA. Passion, process, technology.